Doing another type of a shoulder shot simulation. This one we're actually just doing a shoulder shot and catching the bullet on this one. This ain't gonna show the actual carnage of what happens on the interior because you don't see any cantaloupe. But what we're doing is shooting a 45-70. This is a 300 grain semi-hollow point, semi-jacketed hollow point, 1880 on the feet per second and 2,355 pounds. Muzzle energy, we are shooting out at about 90 yards. So the muzzle energy is going to be a little bit more. Well, feet per second is going to be, when it makes impact, it's going to be somewhere in the neighborhood of about 1,600 feet per second, 1,650. And the muzzle energy is going to be around 1,850 on impact. So let's go ahead and try to do a bullet catch on this one. Shoulder shot simulation. What we're shooting at, we got the water jugs back to do the catch, and we got a just under a 1/2 inch piece of wood simulating our shoulder blade. Granted, we don't have nothing in front of it to simulate the meat, the muscle. So anyway, this is still, it'll be close enough. It ain't, like I said, this isn't exact science. This is just close enough science. Original jug we got, it basically obliterated it. And that one, so it broke up. This is the second one, and we are on the third one. Fourth, in and out. This would be considered the fifth one, in and out. The last one. So I had 4 regular gallon jugs in line, and one of these gallon jugs full of water, and then another one. So, well, 4 and then 2 of these, and it actually hit the second one, the last one, and knocked it down and took it out. Got a whole lot going on there. It's a nice round hole though, round square hole. Anyway, there's that. Alright, there you go. That's what we got. Man, about 80-90 yards. And here's what it was before. Looking at it. Yeah, the top of the copper came off. And it does look like we're missing lead, which there was some little pieces of lead in the jugs. I really didn't notice much of the copper, but on impact, that's one thing I do like about this slug, is it blows up and pieces out, so it shreds everything on the inside. And the shock wave, as y'all see, I mean, it's like a Mack truck. It's an excellent round. These are Winchester, so they got, seems like they have a little bit more power. I like the Remingtons. Hopefully they'll still be around, but I like those a little bit better. They seem to not exit. And these will, this right here will go through. As y'all see, there's definitely a lot of power behind this bullet. But we got some copper missing off of it, and there's some lead that broke off in there, which is doing what it's supposed to do. That's a nice hunting load right there. There you go, 45-70.